Defining coaching and mentoring. Introduction to the course. You are in your office looking over your performance report and it happened again. Your low-performing employee failed to meet quota this month even after you spoke with them about the importance of meeting goals. This employee has a great attitude and you know they can do better. You just do not know how to motivate them to reach the goal. Money used to work, but that has worn off. You are baffled and you know being frustrated makes matters worse. What do you do? This course focuses on how to better coach your employees to a higher performance. Coaching is a process of relationship building and setting goals. How well you coach relates directly to how well you are able to foster a great working relationship with your employees through understanding them and strategic goal setting. An easy-to-understand coaching model taught in this course will guide you through the coaching process. Prepare yourself to change a few things about yourself in order to coach your employees to better performance. Course objectives. Before you leave this session today, you should be more familiar on the topic of coaching your people to better performance. We have 10 objectives that will allow us to achieve the overall goal of becoming better coaches. Here are our learning objectives for today. Define coaching, mentoring and the GROW model. Identify and set appropriate goals using the SMART technique of goal setting. Identify the steps necessary in defining the current state or reality of your employee's situation. Identify the steps needed in defining options for your employee and turn them into a preliminary plan. Identify the steps in developing a finalized plan or wrapping it up and getting your employee motivated to accomplish those plans. Identify the benefits of building and fostering trust with your employee. Identify the steps in giving effective feedback while maintaining trust. Identify and overcome common obstacles to the growth and development of your employee. Identify when the coaching is at an end and transition your employee to other growth opportunities. Identify the difference between mentoring and coaching, using both to enable long-term development through a positive relationship with your employee.